I think Jack sold his old rusty bike. The old blind man fell on the step. The wild dog bit the kind postman. I find it cold and chilly in this place. That cranky old lady hit the small child. The blind child has to sing on the stage. Mom told all the small children the sad story. The old man told all the small children a story. The blind man will bump into that rubbish bin. Hold on to the blind man as we cross the lane. Jack Lynch sold most of his land to Jason Smith. Mom told me to hold the tiny baby for a second. I cannot make up my mind which present to pick.